Okay, so one of my students requested that I do a video on angle-angle similarity. And angle-angle similarity only applies to triangles. And simply what it means is if any two triangles have two angles in common, they're automatically similar, which means all their angles or all corresponding angles are going to be equal and their sides will be proportional. So let's take a look at the two examples I have. The first example, this angle here, we'll show it by arcs. With this angle, with this triangle and this triangle, they both have a 68-degree angle. So we know that they have one angle in common. Now, I don't see any other angles listed. So, therefore, I have to take a look at what I know. Anytime you have an intersection like this, these are vertical angles. And what do we know about vertical angles? We know vertical angles are congruent. So no matter what this angle measurement is, they're congruent. So we can say now that this triangle has a 68-degree angle and another angle that's the same as the opposite triangle, 60, excuse me, and this angle. So we know that these two triangles have two angles in common, so they're automatically similar. So because of angle-angle similarity, they are similar. And that's all we can say right now. So we know that their sides are proportional and all their angle measurements are the same. Okay, so if we put a number in here, let's say we said this was 60 degrees. If this was 60 degrees, well, the third angle, all three must add up to 180. So you'd add 68 plus 60, so that gives you 128, and then 180 minus 128, that'd be 62 degrees. So this angle would have to be 62 degrees, and so would this one. Okay, so that's angle-angle similarity. Let's take a look at the second example right here. So I have two triangles here, and I want to determine, are they similar? So are they similar? And I can prove that they're similar using the angle-angle similarity postulate. Okay, so angle-angle similarity, again, only applies to triangles. And again, if two triangles have two angles in common, so two angles in common, we can say they are similar because of angle-angle similarity postulate. And that's all you need to say to prove it, because that's a true statement. It's already been proven, so that's all you need to say. Now, let's take a look at this example here. Well, this is 52 degrees, this is 65 degrees. All I have to do is find the third angle. So I would take 65 plus 52. So 5 plus 2 is 7, 6 plus 5 is 11. And then I want to subtract it from 180 degrees. So 117 minus 180. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. So 63 degrees. So this angle here has to be 63 degrees. Okay, well, if this angle here is 63 degrees, well then I just found that I have two angles in common. Okay, so we automatically know, even without finding the third angle, that there is angle-angle similarity here, and these two triangles are similar. That's all we can tell. We can't tell anything about the sides. All we know is that they're proportional. But we know that the two triangles must be similar. And that's it. So they are similar.